we go. This is gonna be a fun one. So, what's up guys? It's Rudy, Rudifer, Mr. T. But today, we don't just have a keyboard video, we actually have a whole setup video. Kind of, a little bit. My brother, Mikey, Barry, he is graduating this year from high school. And to surprise him as a gift for graduating, we built him a keyboard, and we're also giving him some new stuff that he will be taking with him when he goes to college. Now, on my Instagram, @Rudifer, I showed a little mini vlog back in September of me building him a PC, a gaming PC that he can have. He's had a bunch of hand-me-downs from me in terms of tech over the past couple years, and you know, it was time that he got his own setup. Now we're giving him the whole spiel with decking out the rest of his setup with a keyboard, a desk mat, Discord notifications that I need to mute. Whoops. Yeah, a keyboard, a mouse, and a desk mat. We're going to be giving him a Razer Viper Ultimate, a wireless mouse. He is used to wireless setups because I gave him a old Logitech keyboard that is currently wireless, so I wanted to keep on that trend. He's getting a wireless mouse for that. Amazing mouse, lightweight. It's going to be definitely different for him because he's not going to be used to it being a lightweight mouse, so that's going to be very fun. The desk mat that I'm going to be giving him is one from Novelkeys. Going to be kind of a navy-ish color. His favorite color is blue, so I tried to keep everything in like a blue, black, navy-ish aesthetic. He previously had a desk mat that I gave him that I even had myself for a couple of years. So it's going to be time to retire that one and give him a brand new one that he can call his own. The focal piece of the setup is going to be the keyboard. So it is a Keychron K4 that I had taken out. The keyboard is hot swap. So I replaced it with lubed, gateron yellows, krytox 205 grade 0. I didn't do anything on the stabilizers. Stabilizers are stock, no band-aid mod, no nothing. I really should have done something with that. You'll hear in the sound test in a little bit that the stabilizers are kind of eh. I can do that over the summer before he leaves for college. That's something that's not too bad I can do. Other than that, we have some blue on white, white on blue keycaps. But there was a little bit of a weird thing because since the Keychron K4 has these 4 buttons in the top right that are not traditional rows, the B-roll that you probably see has some unevenness in the top right 4. Now in the sound test, you'll see that I replaced them with palm translucent keycaps. He wanted a full-size keyboard, but I didn't want to give him a something that would take up his entire desk mat, so the Keychron K4 being a 96% was... So yeah, let's get to the sound test. as you probably saw or heard, those stabs are really not cutting it. But again, I can just fix those before he moves to college. Not anything too crazy, too big of a deal. I had built the entire keyboard on my stream, twitch.tv/Rudifer. So that's why there's no B-roll or build log footage of that. I would appreciate if you drop me a follow there if you want to see me do more keyboard stuff on stream. What you'll see next is reaction footage of him seeing the keyboard during his graduation. I actually did not go to the graduation, and so what I did was I actually snuck back home while everyone was out of the house and replaced his whole setup so that way when he got back home from graduation, got back from dinner, it would be all ready for him to see. Let's roll that footage now.
Wait, what happened to the...
Here, read it.
Okay. What's up, guys? A&M here, back with Keychron K4, 96%. Okay. Packaging is clean. Are these what I think they are? Are they ink blacks? In the clean blue and white color scheme. This is so clean, you hear that?
What? With your old,
Is this going to Matt?
Yeah.
Why the f did you get me those keycaps? I'm not opening that up in front of Mom. Thank you.
Yay!
Okay, now leave so I can open up the other, sussy keycaps.
So that was that. I appreciate you sticking around for the video. I would appreciate also if you liked and subscribed if you like this keyboard content. We're going to be coming out with more stuff in the future. Showcasing keyboards, vlogs, photography on this channel. The next video actually you'll see is a little vlog of me putting together this video. This whole channel is dedicated to not just keyboard content, but also the process of content creation. So if you're interested in that, definitely appreciate if you subscribe. Peace.